one thing you know. Now me and you, my baby. See, now me and you, my baby. I'm ready if you're ready.
Okay, so hi guys, so welcome back to my channel. Adiatu here, Naturally Ads on YouTube. So in today's video, I'm going to be testing out a new product for a wash and go. I don't do wash and goes that much, but I'm trying to find the perfect gel. So everybody has been raving about this. Quite late. It's very expensive though, so it really helped me. It was £16 for this bottle, and look, it's not that big. So it is the Kinky curling custard. So I'm going to be trying this out on my hair for a wash and go. So yeah, be sure to give this video a thumbs up if you liked it, comment down below what you thought, and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. So as you can see, my hair is already wet, so I've already washed it, conditioned it, and then I put my leave-in conditioner. I used the Custard Organelle leave-in conditioner because I didn't buy the Kinky curly one because it's so expensive. So I was like, the gel will be enough. So I'm going to show you guys how I'm doing it. I'm not going to talk through this because I'm not showing you how to use it. I'm just showing you, because I'm not showing you how to use it. I'm just showing you my results. So oops, I need to open it. Okay, I finally got it open. That was a bit of a struggle to open, but oops, have I got it open? Yeah, we've got it open, and so yeah, I haven't used it yet. From the amount that's in this, I don't think I'm going to be able to use this more than once for a wash and go. So maybe next time I use it, I'll probably try to use it to slick my hair. So yeah, this is the consistency of it. It's not as thick as Eco Styler gel. It's not that thick. It's more of like a jelly, buggy-ish consistency, as you can see. So yeah, I'm just going to begin. So I'm going to be using the wash and go. I use my leave-in conditioner, so I'm just going to be using the gel, and maybe I'll put oil on it after. And also I'm going to be using this trusty water. You can't do natural hair without water, and some clips. So as you know, if you're doing a natural hairstyle, you cannot start without separating your hair. As I said before, I'm not going to talk for this video. I'm just going to show you and then show you the finished result, and then come back later when it's dry. Red leather music.
I might not buy you diamonds and gold, girl. There's one thing you know. Now me and you, my baby. Now me and you, my baby. I might not buy you diamonds and gold, girl. There's one thing you know. Now me and you, my baby. See, now me and you, my baby. Oh yeah, baby, pass me your love, oh yeah. You they drive me mad like damn for, yeah. Tell me, can I be your eminado, yeah. Mama Jack come up, baby, yeah. I say, waiting they want from us. Make you no send anyone but us. You ask me, waiting I want just love. You ask me, waiting I want just love. I'ma get you know you find past your body. And now they thank God for your mommy. And if you see the thing where she carry, she be the type of girl I want marry. I wanna marry her because she carry that thing. See a loving girl, I need that thing. Marry her because she carry that thing. See a loving girl, I need that. I might not buy you diamonds and gold, girl. There's one thing you know. Now me and you, my baby. Now me and you, my baby. I might not buy you diamonds and gold, girl. There's one thing you know. Now me and you, my baby. See, now me and you, my baby. I'm ready if you're ready. I'll let you if you let me. I'll hold you if you hold me, baby. I'm ready if you're ready. I'll let you if you let me. I'll hold you if you hold me, baby, baby. I don't go better, mole. Oh, yeah, dance, yeah, slow. I'ma get telling me large, I come at your row. I'ma get you see, I'm feeling you, oh. I'ma get telling me large, I come at your row. I don't go better, mole. Oh, yeah, dance, yeah, slow. I'ma get telling me large, I come at your row. I'ma get you see, I'm feeling you, oh. I'ma get telling me large, I come at your row. I might not buy you diamonds and gold, girl. There's one thing you know. Now me and you, my baby. Now me and you, my baby. I might not buy you diamonds and gold, girl. There's one thing you know. Now me and you, my baby. See, now me and you, my baby. I don't go very mole. Oh, yeah, dance, yeah, slow. I'ma get telling me large, I come at your row. I'ma get you see, I'm feeling you, oh. I'ma get telling me large, I come at your row. I don't go very mole. Oh, yeah, dance, yeah, slow. I'ma get telling me large, I come at your row. I'ma get you see, I'm feeling you, oh. I'ma get telling me large, I come at your row. I might not buy you diamonds and gold, girl. There's one thing you know. Now me and you, my baby. Now me and you, my baby. I might not buy you diamonds and gold, girl. There's one thing you know. Now me and you, my baby. See, now me and you, my baby. Oh yeah, baby, pass me your love, oh yeah. You they drive me mad like damn for, yeah. Tell me, can I be your Eminado, yeah. Mama Jacob Mogbe, Iwani, yeah. I say, waiting they want from us. Make you no send anyone but us. You ask me, waiting I want just love. You ask me, waiting I want just love. I'ma get you know you find past your body. And I thank God for your mommy. And if you see the thing where she carry, she be the type of girl I want marry. I wanna marry her because she carry that thing. See a loving girl, I need that thing. Marry her because she carry that thing. See a loving girl, I need that. I might not buy you diamonds and gold, girl. There's one thing you know. Now me and you, my baby. Now me and you, my baby. I might not buy you diamonds and gold, girl. There's one thing you know. Now me and you, my
baby. Before I tie it up, I just want to show you a 360 of what it's looking like.
If you hold me, baby, I'm ready. If you're ready, I'll let you. If you let me, I'll hold you. If you hold me, baby, baby. I don't go better, mole. Oh, yeah, dance, yeah, slow. I'ma get telling me large.
Okay, so this is how it's looking wet. So I'm going to get ready and go out. But yeah, so as I said, I knew that I would use a lot of it, and I'll show you how much is left. There's not that much left, so I can possibly use it one more time for wash and go, just about, but it's not a lot of product for the money, so it better be the best wash and go I've ever had at the end, because it's hurting me that I spent £16 on this and it's so small, and I spent £5 on Eco Styler Gel, the big one, so it's like yeah, anyways, I'm going to tie my hair so I can lay it a little bit as I get ready.
You they drive me mad like damn for, yeah. Tell me, can I be your Eminado, yeah. Mama Jacob Mogbe, Iwani, yeah. I say, waiting they want from us. Make you no send anyone but us. You ask me, waiting I want just love. You ask me, waiting I want just love. I'ma get you know you find past your body. And I thank God for your.
Okay, so obviously it's not dry, but it is dry. It's still wet, let me not lie. But I thought I would show you what it's looking like now, and I don't know if you can see it, but the shine is real. There's so much shine in my hair. It just looks sparkly and shiny. Like it's like it's HD, and like, you know, when you edit a picture and you put the exposure all the way up in the details, that's what it looks like.
One thing you know, now me and you, my baby. See, now me and you, my baby. I'm ready.
Now, and my hair is about 50% dry. Like the ends are all dry, but all of my roots are still wet. So if I touch in there, it's that dripping wet. The top part is dry though. So yeah, I'm going to show you all my definition. Look at that. Look at those curls, and it's not clumped together. Yeah, so I'm going to tell you guys what I feel about this product. So in terms of definition, it is a win for me. I love how it defined my curls. It made them all, it didn't put them clumped together. Even though my curls aren't clumped together, they're all defined and separated, and it kind of has a lot of movement. I'm not going to shake it too much because I don't want to mess it up. It does leave a hard gel shell over my hair, which I don't really like, but I do know how to break the cast by using oil and scrunching it, so I will do that after my hair is dry. And the shrinkage is what shrinkage is. It's not that bad, but you know, you kind of have to embrace the shrinkage with natural hair. You just have to live with it. Would I buy it again? No, because I don't feel like it's worth the money, because my wash and go with the Eco Styler, the green, the flaxseed one, is probably better than this one. So I'm like, why am I going to spend £16 when I can spend £5? So I wouldn't buy it again, but if someone gave it to me for free, I would definitely accept it. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Be sure to give me a like and comment down below if you've used this product and how it turned out for you. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't already.